How to get statement from Hargreaves Lansdown. Go to the Hargreaves Lansdown website, or open the mobile app. Log in using your client number, username, and password. Complete the security verification if asked. Wait for your account dashboard to load. Tap or click on the My Account section. Choose the account you need, such as ISA, SIP, or Fund and Share account. Scroll until you find Statements and Documents. Select the option to view your statements. Pick the statement type you want, like monthly, quarterly, annual, or tax year. Set the date range if needed. Press the View button to open the statement. Choose Download if you want a copy saved as PDF. Save it on your device or print it if required. Contact customer support if you cannot locate the statement. Thank you for watching.